Hi everyone, my name is Aleeya Binti. My metric number is 307270. I will solve a system of three simultaneous equations using the metric inversion method. The equations are as follows: x1 minus x2 equal to 200, 0.7 x1 minus x2 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 100, 0.2 x1 minus x3 equal to negative 100. So our goal is to find the value of x1, x2 and x3. Next, we can express the system as a metric equation of the form Ax equal to b. To find the inverse of the metric A, the first step is to find the determinant of A. To make it easy, usually we choose a row or a column that contain element of 0. So we will choose the first row to find the determinant, and we also need to refer to this arrangement as a sign guide to calculate the determinant. Okay, so the first element of the first row is 1 and the corresponding sign for this element is positive. Since 1 is in the first column and first row, we cover the first column and the first row and then copy the element that not been covered in the form of determinant for the 2 by 2 matrix. Then we also use the same step for the next element. So now we are going to calculate this. The first term is 1 times this determinant, which is negative 1 times negative 1 minus negative 0.7 times 0.2. Then we use the same step for the next one. We simplify the expression so we get the answer for the determinant for 0.44. Next, to find the cofactor of matrix A, we denote it as matrix C. The first element is 1 since 1 is in the first row and column. So we cover the first row and column and we copy the element that not been covered into this. Then we use the same step for the next element. So for each element, we multiply like this and we get this. And further simplify until we get the value of each element. So we get the matrix C, or we call it as the cofactor of matrix A. Next, we need to transpose the matrix C to get the adjoint of matrix A, to get the adjoint of A. So to transpose, we just make all row become column. So now we already have all things that we need. We have the determinant of A, and we also have the adjoint of A. So the next step, we just need to substitute this into this formula. Then multiply this into the matrix. Continue the calculation and then we get the answer. x1 for 5 to 2.73, x2 for 3 to 2.73, and x3 for 204.54.
Welcome and hi, my name is Fatin. My metric number is 306262. And now I want to show you how to calculate these three simultaneous equations to find the x1, x2 and x3 using the Palmer rule method. And here we have a three equation that is x1 minus x2 equals to 100, 0.7 x1 minus x2 minus 0.7 x3 equal negative 100, and 0.2 x1 minus x3 equal negative 100. Okay, and now we should know the formula. The formula is x sub j equal determinant a sub j divided by determinant a. Or you guys can write like this. You can choose it. And first, we need to simultaneous equation, three simultaneous equation, write in the metric system in Ax equal D. And now we should do the compute determinant for the coefficient matrix. Use expansion along the first row. Okay, the first row is this. This is the first row. And we will write like this, 1 that we get from the first row in the first column. And how to get this item in this? When you, for example, that's 1 in line, and the number not cover it, you just take here and put it here. Okay, and same like this and this element. Okay, and how to calculate it is you just time is negative 1 times negative 1 and put in like this column, and here and here negative 0.7 times 0, and like this for 1 this. Okay, same like this and this for this element. Okay. After you calculate it with the calculator, you can find the answer is 0.44. Determinant A. And now we want to find the value of x1, x2, and x3 using the common rule. Just change first column A1 with D. The original is here and D is here. You just put D to first column like this. And we want to find the determinant 1 to find the value of x1. So we calculate, just make a first row like before first. And how to find this, like just take the number is not the cover it. Okay, this number is not cover it is negative 1, negative 0.7, 0 and negative 1. Okay, and same like this element 2, you have to calculate to get the number, and should calculate like this, and you just use calculator for easy yourself and get the faster answer. And the answer is 230. And how to find the x1 is x1 equal determinant of a1 divided by determinant a. Determinant of a1 we get is 230 and divided by determinant a is 0.44, and we get the answer of x1 is 522.73 x1. Okay, now we want to find the x2. X2 is, the formula is x2 equal determinant of a2, because x2 we choose and we change a to the 2 for determinant upper here. Okay, this do not change because the formula say that determinant a is stay here. Okay, the change is that the determinant have a sub 1, sub j, sub 2. Okay, and at determinant a2 we just change the column to the second column. Change the second column with d. This is d. Okay, and how to calculate determinant a2 is a2 equal, you just take the first column like usually, like before, and in here like before you just take the number is not the cover it. Same like this element 2. And how to calculate it, you just time like x, time with that I highlight here, yellow with time with yellow, and blue time with blue. Okay, and you calculate it, and you will get answer determinant of a2 is 142. And how to find the x2 is 142 divided by 0.44, and you will get answer is 322.73 x2. Okay, how about the x3? And x3, you just change the third column with d like this. Okay, like this. And how to calculate the determinant of a3 is like before, you just take the first row, and how to get the number, you just take the number do not cover it. Okay, and same like this and this, and you just calculate it and make like this column, and calculate, and you will get the answer is 90. Determinant a3. And want to find the value of x3 is x3 equal 90 divided 0.44, and you will get answer is 204.55. This is the x3, and the final answer is here.
Hi guys, my name is Wong and my matrix number is 305701. Now I will solve the x1, x2 and x3 by using the variable substitutions method. So this is the first equations, this is the second equations, and this is the third equations. From equations 1, x1 minus x2 equal to 200. Now I will consider x2 equal to x1 minus 200. Then we substitute x2 equal to x1 minus 200 into the second equations. So we will get 0.7 x1 minus x1 plus 200 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 100. 0.7 x1 minus x1 we will get negative 0.3 x1 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 100 minus 200 we will get negative 300. So 0.3 x1 plus 0.7 x3 equal to 300. Next, for the third equations is 0.2 x1 minus x3 equal to negative 100. So x3 equal to 0.2 x1 plus 100. We substitute x3 equal to 0.2 x1 plus 100 into 0.3 x1 plus 0.7 x3 equal to 300. So we will get 0.3 x1 plus 0.7 times 0.2x1 plus 100 equal to 300. 0.3x1 plus 0.7 times 0.2x1, we will get 0.14x1, and 0.7 times 100, we will get 70 equal to 300. So 0.44x1 equal to 230. So x1 equal to 522.73. Now we substitute x1 equal to 522.73 into x2 equal to x1 minus 200. So x2 equal to 522.73 minus 200. So we know that x2 equal to 322.73. And next we substitute x1 equal to 522.73 into x3 equal to 0.2x1 plus 100. So x3 equal to 0.2 times 522.73 plus 100. So x3 equal to 204.55. So in conclusions, we get the answer x1 equal to 522.73, x2 equal to 322.73, and x3 equal to 204.55. So that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Vindy and my metric number is 306262. Now I'm going to show how to solve three simultaneous equations by using the variable elimination method. Okay, so now let us numerate each equation first. After that, we're going to eliminate one of the variable first, and I'm going to choose eliminate x2 because it looks easier to eliminate. I'm going to eliminate x2 by using equation 2 minus equation 1, which are 0.7 x1 minus x2 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 100 minus x1 minus x2 equal to 200. Then we will get the answer, which are negative 0.3 x1 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 300. And let this become equation 4. After that, let us eliminate x3 and we will going to make x3 become the same number in equation 3 and equation 4. Now I will use 0.2 x1 minus x3 equal to negative 100 multiplied by 0.7 to make the x3 become 0.7 x3. And we will get 0.14 x1 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 70. Let the answer become equation 5. And now we will use equation 5 to minus equation 4, which are 0.14 x1 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 70 minus negative 0.3 x1 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 300. After that, we will get the answer, which are 0.44 x1 equal to 230. Now we can find out what is x1 by using 0.44 x1 equal to 230. So we will find that x1 equal to 522.73. After finding out x1, we can substitute the answer of x1 into equation 1, which are x1 minus x2 equal to 200. 522.73 minus x2 equal to 200. So negative x2 equal to 200 minus 522.73. And we will get the answer is negative 322.73. So x2 equal to 322.73. After finding out the answer of x1 and x2, we can sub both of them into equation 2, which is 0.7 x1 minus x2 minus 0.7 x3 equal to negative 100. After sub the x1 and x2 into equation 2, we will get 365.91 minus 322.73 minus 0.7x3 equal to negative 100. After minus the fourth 2, we will get 43.18 minus 0.7x3 equal to negative 100. So x negative 0.7x3 equal to negative 143.18. And after that, we will get your x3 is 204.54